Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Shopify templates. First, understand that Shopify templates, often called themes, are the visual backbone of your online store. They provide a pre-designed structure and style, which can save you countless hours of development work. You'll find a vast selection of both free and premium themes available directly within the Shopify theme store. Choosing the perfect theme is a critical first step, as it significantly impacts your brand's appearance and overall user experience. Now, let's talk about selecting your ideal theme. Head over to the Shopify theme store, where you can explore hundreds of options. Use the filters to sort themes by your specific industry, desired features, or budget, helping you quickly narrow down the choices. Always preview themes with sample data. This gives you a realistic idea of how your products and content will look. Remember, mobile responsiveness is key, as more than 50% of online shopping now happens on mobile devices. Once you've chosen a theme, it's time to make it uniquely yours. The Shopify theme editor is your best friend here. It allows you to customize colors, fonts, and layout sections with no coding required. Be sure to upload your brand's logo and high-quality product images to create a polished, professional appearance. You can easily rearrange sections such as image banners, product grids, and customer testimonials. Don't be afraid to experiment with different settings to perfectly align your store with your brand's distinct identity. Finally, let's prepare your store for its grand debut. Before going live, thoroughly test every link, button, and especially the entire checkout process to ensure a smooth customer journey. Double-check that all product descriptions are accurate and that your images are optimized for fast loading times. Review your store on several different devices, like phones and tablets, to confirm a consistent and excellent user experience. Once everything is perfect, remember to remove any password protection, so your new online store is fully accessible to all your eager customers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.